Good morning and welcome to today's class. We are going to continue with the topic French abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. After the establishment of constitutional monarchy in France, the constitutional monarchy was not very successful. Though the king signed the constitution and recognized the constitution, but he was not satisfied to become a constitutional monarch where his power is limited by the constitution. So he entered into secret alliance with the secret negotiations with the neighboring kingdoms such as Prussia, Austria, and many other European countries were ready to support Louis XVI in this difficult situation against the people's government or against National Assembly. France witnessed many changes and it worried the neighboring kingdoms. So they decided to support French monarch against the National Assembly. In this situation, the National Assembly voted to declare war against Prussia and Austria, and a large number of people joined in the army voluntarily to fight against Prussia and Austria because they considered this war as a fight against feudalism and monarchy. And France National Assembly was able to defeat these powers, and the people of Marseille, or the volunteers of Marseille who joined in the army, they sang a song composed by Roger de Lisle, and later this song became the national anthem of France. After this, we can see that many political clubs were formed in France. Among them, the most important political club was Jacobins Club. Why political clubs were formed? Because the constitutional monarchy established in France in 1791 did not give much importance to or much participation to the common people. Wealthy middle class people got the advantage or got the benefit of this revolution in the first stage when National Assembly was formed, and after this we can so the ordinary people of a third stage decided to continue their fight or the revolution. So for continuing the revolution and to discuss the political situations in France, they formed political associations. Among the political associations, the most important political association was Jacobins Club. It was headed by Maximilien Robespierre, and most of the members were ordinary people, poor people, peasants, and those who were ignored by the or those who were considered as passive citizens by the Constitution of France. And Jacobins Club, they organized an uprising in the summer of 1792 to overthrow the constitutional monarchy. So, on the morning of August 10th, they stormed to the palace of the Tuileries, massacred the king's guards, and the king and his family was made as hostage for several hours. After that, they captured the power, the Jacobins captured the power from the constitutional monarchy, and election was conducted, and this led to the establishment of National Convention. National Convention declared France as a republic. France as a republic, and in 1792, on 21st September 1792, the National Convention abolished the constitutional monarchy, and the royal family members were imprisoned. Later, they declared France as a republic with an elected head, and Louis XVI was sentenced to death for the charge of treason, that is, working against the National Assembly, as he made conspiracy against National Assembly, joining with Austria and Prussia and so on. And he was executed on 21st January 1793, and followed by his execution, Maria Antoinette was also guillotined on October 1793. This was followed by a period of reign of terror. This was followed by a period of reign of terror. That is, Maximilien Robespierre became the head of the government, Republican government, and he followed a policy of severe control and punishment, and he punished all those who were considered as enemies of the Republic, including ex-nobles, clergies, members of other political parties, and even members of his own party who were against him. They were arrested and imprisoned, and later they were executed by him, by his government. Then he made many controls. He introduced many controls on the activities of the people. Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Meat and bread were rationed, and peasants were forced to sell their food grains in the market at the price fixed by the government. The use of more expensive flour, white flour, was forbidden, and people were asked to eat only whole wheat, that is, bread made of whole wheat. To establish equality in speech and address, the traditional titles or salutations like Monsignor, Madam, these all were abolished, and all were asked to call citizens. Churches were closed, and church properties and buildings were confiscated by the Republican government. That is why this period, the period between 1793 and 94 is referred as a reign of terror. Finally, his own supporters turned against him and he was arrested and later he was guillotined. The failure of or the decline of the Republican government or the fall of the Jacobins government led to the establishment of a new government called directory rules, that is rule of directors. The fall of Jacobins government gave opportunities to the middle class, upper middle class people to get the power, and they conducted election in the country in which only propertied people were given the right to vote. In the Jacobins period, that is when election was held for the election of National Convention, then all men above 21 years were given the right to vote, irrespective of their wealth, property and qualification, etc. But now this is reversed again. All those who were having property, only propertied men were given the right to vote. And 2 houses were elected, and the members of these 2 houses, they elected 5 members as executive. They were called directors. 5 members were elected because to prevent the concentration of power in the hands of one person, like what happened in the period of Maximilian Robespierre or in the Republican government. But there was clash between the executive, that is these directors, and the legislative councils, and this conflict between the directors and the legislative councils led to political instability in the country, and this gave way to the coming of Napoleon Bonaparte as the ruler of France. In 1800, he became the ruler of France and he declared himself as the emperor, or he crowned himself as the emperor in 1804. This part we will discuss in the next class. With this we can wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class soon.